Everyone. In this video, we will walk through a few integrations that are available at StoreHippo platform. So, we are looking at a storefront that is configured for different languages and different currencies. So, we are going to set up a payment method and logistics providers for this storefront. This is the admin panel for the same storefront. So, you can use this admin panel to manage different aspects of your storefront. So on the left hand side you see different sections. So for example, the product section has different subsections related to the catalog, and order section has different subsections related to order management or the OMS. So for the integrations, let's go straight to the settings. Under settings, you see like different settings related to payments, logistics, taxes, the notifications, invoices, etc. So for payment methods, let's go to the payment method settings. So here, as you can see, like you can configure one or more payment methods and you can use them together at once. So there are three different types of payment methods: the offline, which includes bank transfer and other, the online payment gateways, and cash on delivery. If you select like online payment gateway, then you can select one of around 50 payment methods, including all Indian payment methods and international ones. So once you select a payment method, you will be asked to enter certain details about that payment method. So you can also use our help center to see like where you can find those credentials. So once you have configured the payment methods, those will be available on the storefront. So you can see like in this storefront we have configured 4 payment methods. So let's go to the storefront and see how those are available. So if we go to the checkout flow, I have 2 items added in the cart. I enter my email ID, I enter the shipping address, then I can see like the 4 different payment methods which are configured are available here. Once I click on pay now, it will initiate the checkout process that is offered by that payment method. So I can use any of the payment methods that are available through this integration. So I can make the payment and the order is placed. So that covers the payment method integration. After that, let's cover the logistics provider integration. So once you receive an order, you use one of the logistics providers, the integrated ones, to ship your orders. So as you can see, we have around 28 available providers. So you can use any of these providers. So once you select a provider, you will be asked to enter about certain details about that provider. In this storefront, we have 2 providers for which we have provided the details. Let us see like how these providers are used from the OMS. We go to the order sections. There we see all the orders that we receive. So once you have reviewed the order, you can go ahead and ship the order by clicking on the ship now button. It will initiate a simple wizard where you can select your pickup address. So you can have more than one pickup address depending on how many warehouses you have. The delivery address and package details are pre-populated from the order. Once you click on fetch rates, so it will get the rates in real time from the active integrations. So in this case there were 2 active integrations, so it is showing different services under those integrations. So you can select schedule pickup, select your preferred day, and once you click on ship now, a shipment is created, and you can just view the shipping label and generate the order invoice. So these documents you can hand over to the person who comes to pick it up. So once the shipment is created, the status of the shipment as well as the order is updated in real time through the background jobs, and the notifications are sent to the customer. So that covers the entire flow of the logistics provider integration. So after that, let's go to the channels. So under channels, we have the marketplaces as well as the different cart software if you are migrating from one. So you can use any of these channels to fetch the orders or sync products. So as you can see, like in this one, there is one this payment Flipkart is already enabled, so the details are added. So once the channel is active, there are different actions that are available on that channel. So for example, you can fetch the orders, the latest orders from the channel, and it will trigger and initiate a background job, which will fetch the orders and make them available under the order section. Once they are imported, you can go ahead and use any of the integrated logistics provider to ship those orders. So that covers the channel integrations. So apart from this, there are a number of other integrations. For example, the marketing integrations like Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, Analytics, Enhanced E-commerce. So you can use these integrations to kickstart your marketing campaigns as well. So that is it for this session. We will cover like more topics in the next video. Thank you.